Yes, hello, good evening. To add a property on your advanced real estate management system website, it's quite very easy. So all you need to do is just to click on this space which says create a listing. You can do it from the front end of your website, and you can also do it from the back end of your website. So if you have to do it from the back end of the website, you go to real estate. So under real estate, you will find new property. So you click on real estate. This is it. We see real estate on the left hand side. So on the real estate tab, you're going to see where it says new property. So when you click on new property, you will see this is where it's going to bring you. The page is loading. So okay, this is it. We have the page ready now. Now it's going to ask for the property title. So anything can be your property title. As you can see now on this page, we have our property title. So this is the property title, stunning four-bedroom luxury home for sale in Lekki. Okay, so this is our property title. So now, for example, now I want to add a new property now. So I'm going to copy my property title and the description together. So on over here, this is where the description will be. I'll click on paste. So this is our description, and this one is going to be our property title. So I will put it here, Control V. So this is our property title, newly launched luxurious four-bedroom maisonette with swimming pool and gym. So this is our property, and the price is 440 million. 440 million is the price. So now when we come down, we already have the property title and we already have our description over here. So the next thing we need to do now is to enter the property information. Very important. We have to enter this property information. So this is the price. If you like, you can put your price, which is 440 million. Okay. If there's any second price, you can enter it. Maybe second price can be 300 and or okay, we can have 400 million for the second price. You can enable price placeholder if you want. So on here, you can enter the price prefix, price after, you can enter the area size. If you know exactly, maybe the area size is 500 square feet, and you can just enter it. And if you have the land area as well, how many bedroom? Maybe it has 6 bedroom and maybe it has 10 rooms. And bedroom, maybe we have 12 bedrooms, and maybe if it had 3 garage. And the garage size, you can enter, maybe the garage is 680 square feet, and year built, maybe it is built in 2022. And let's see what we have as well. I think that's all. And if you want, you can add some additional features. You can add additional features like this. It has air conditioning. Okay. And you can just write one, and you can add more. Maybe it has garage. It has garage. Okay, how many garage? Maybe 2 garage. Maybe it also has Wi-Fi. Maybe it has Wi-Fi, and you can just write 7. So it depends. All the property additional features, you can just begin to add them there. So we come to the next page, property setting. So on this property setting, we are going to write our address. Where is the property located? The property is located at Lekki Phase 1, Lagos. So this is where the property is located. So we will put that under the street address as well as the zip code, postal code will be +234. And did you want to mark this property as featured? Yes. And the user must be logged in to view this property? No. And if there's any disclaimer information, maybe be careful about external agent, or if you pay money to any other person that is at your own risk, you can put it there. So after that, we have the property media. So you can add the property media. Let me quickly upload some pictures. And let's see, desktop. I have here beautiful gates. Control. Okay, maybe this is the property title. Property media, obviously. So it's getting loading. We wait for it to load. So the property media is getting loading. It's getting loading. So one, okay, this is one. So it's remain four again. It remain four to load. Okay. Two, two, two. Okay, I think to save some time, if there's a way I can just move it. Okay, the network. So the property media will be all these pictures you are seeing here. So these are the property media. All these pictures you see here will appear, they will appear here. So, okay, remain one very quickly. So this is our property media. Property media, as you can see. Okay, now we have our media ready. We have our media ready. I will just click on select. So it will select. So this will be our property media. After that, there's any video URL, you can put it like Vimeo, YouTube, you can put it if there's any property video. So 360 virtual tour. If there's any 360 virtual tour, you can put the link here. And contact information, very important. So what information do you want to display in agent data container? We want to display the agency information. And on the agency information, we put Etisang Homes and Property. So make sure you select it because this is the agent they are going to contact for the property. After that, do want some slider. So I want some slide. Do you want to display this property on the custom property slider? Yes. And the picture I want it to display, I want this, and I click on select. And I think that's all on this place. And we don't really need to do anything on this page. Sub listing, no. If there's any floor plan, we can put the floor plan information here. And if there's any property documents, so let's see if we have a floor plan. Maybe you can name it You can name it the property title itself. This Control C, and let's see, did I copy this image? Okay, Control C. Okay, maybe this is our title of the floor plan, and let's see how many bedrooms, maybe 5 room, bedroom 4. So you can just the price, or you can just write the price. You can just put the price there. Yes, you can put the post. You can upload some plan image. You can. So I'm going to show example of the floor plan. Let me see if I have anyone here. Floor plan. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let me load more to see if I have some property floor plan here. Okay, yeah, I do have one. Maybe this is our property floor plan image for that property. We can just put it here, and we select it there and put the information. And if there's any additional description you want to add, we can put it on the description box here. Okay. And if there is any property document, you can upload it. Maybe the property has a PDF document, Word document, you can upload it as well there. And private note, very important. If there is any private note, you can input the private note here. If you have some private notes you want the customer to see, you can put it there. And energy class. So if you know the energy class for, let me say, A plus, A, B, C, D, you can just select that and put in the global energy performance index. So if there's any other information, you can just select it. Maybe renewable energy index, you can put it there. Performance energy of the building, you can put the information there. And the layout. So under the layout, we are using global layout. So global layout, leave it the way it is. You don't need to select anything there. And if the property has a rental details, maybe with some short code, you can put it there as well. So that's all we need to do. That's how to add the property. And on the right-hand side, we have the featured image. The image you want people to see first. Maybe I want people to see this image first. I'll click on that. So that is under featured image, and you have to come down to select yes. So just come down a little bit. Yes, we have to come down a little bit to select some things here. So maybe this is an apartment. Obviously, this is going to be an apartment, or maybe it's also a bungalow, or maybe it's also a maisonette. You just click on it, and after that, the status of this property, this is for sale. If the property is for rent, you click for rent. If it is for renovation, you click for renovation. So what are the features in this? It has air conditioning, backyard, barbecue, dryer, garage, gym, laundry, any other features or if you know, you can even add a new features if you want. Maybe if there's a new feature you want to add, you can add it. There's possibility to add new features to it, and you just have to type the features name. You see here, maybe the property has external space, external space. Okay, or parking or car parking space, or any other thing. You can just click on enter. So it has added like that. You see car parking space. It has added under the features. So if there's any other additional features you want to add, you can feel free to add the features, and you will select where it is located. Maybe this is located in, obviously it's going to be located in Lagos State, and this is active, or you can say maybe it is hot sale, or you can say maybe it is open house. Just whatever it is, just put that in there. And also the area, you can select the area where the proper, you can add the area where it is located. It is located in Lekki, okay, Lekki, Lagos. And click on enter, okay, and that is all. That is all you need to do to add a new property. So when you are done like that, you click on publish, and you click on publish again. And that is it. That is how to add property. As you can see, it says page publish. Now let's view our property. Now let's view our property to see. As you can see, everything is looking very beautiful and amazing. Getting displays, you can see the location to on Google Map. So everything is working. You can see the pictures, you can see the locations. When you scroll down, you see newly launched luxurious 4-bedroom maisonette with swimming pool, gyms, 440 million. As you can see, a featured for sale, active or sales, apartment bungalow maisonette, 6 bedroom, 12 bedrooms, 3 garage, 5 square feet, and year bit is 2022. As we already input the information, you see our description, very beautiful. You see everything, including the mortgage calculation, including the features. All the features are present, floor plan. So this is the feature we added that time. Car parking space, you see, is present over here, and you see everything, the mortgage calculator, view listing. You see, this is the contact information, a Sims and property contact phone number, including WhatsApp option. So when you scroll down, people can select their name, phone number, and say they are interested and request information. This is for the virtual tool. So this is for virtual tools, and they can also leave a review. So this is how to add property from the back end of your website. So the same thing is also applicable if you want to add properties from the front end of your website. Very easy to add property. It's the same procedure. The procedure we use from the back, just click on create a listing. So when you click on create a listing, you will come to this place, enter the property title, just the same procedure. Content is the description. Type, maybe this is for bungalow, this is for renovation, this is for hot sale. It's the same procedure that I've showed you in the video. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.